Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a game-changing feature in wondershare Filmora that makes resizing your videos for different social platforms super easy. It's called Auto Reframe. Whether you are creating for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or all of the above, this tool will save your time and effort. Let's dive in. So what exactly this auto reframe tool is? It's a smart AI-powered tool in Filmora that automatically resizes your video into a different aspect ratios. Whether you just need a vertical 9:16 for TikTok, a square 1:1 for Instagram, or just want to make sure your subject stays in focus across all platforms, okay? Auto reframe does it all in just a few clicks. Now, if you're a content creator, you know how important it is to share your videos across multiple platforms. But let's be real, resizing and editing the same video for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok can be a huge hassle. That's where auto reframe comes in. This feature automatically detects the key parts of each video, like in this particular occasion over here, like moving faces or moving objects, okay, and keeps them centered as it resizes, okay, like example in this short video here. No more manual adjustments, no more hours spent cropping and editing, just a quick high quality results. Alright, let me show you how easy it is to use it. First, open your video in Filmora and head over to Auto Reframe tool. I already have one ready here for you guys. From here, you can choose the aspect ratio you want to video to be created like for example 1:1 for Instagram, 9:16 for TikTok, or even a custom size. You can do that as well. Once you've selected your preferred ratio, okay, just hit analyze. Okay, I already done here mine, but here you're gonna see analyze, okay, and Filmora will do the rest. And there you have it. Filmora's AI scans the video, detects the important parts and keeps them in focus as it resizes, okay. You can also adjust the tracking if you want to make any tweaks. What if the automatic framing isn't quite right? Don't worry, you can manually adjust the frame if needed. I'll show you now how it is done, okay. Just drag the focus area and Filmora will update the rest of the video to match. You can also choose how fast the reframing should track your subject, okay. There you go, I choose as a fast with options like default, slow, and fast. Okay, I choose fast. All right, so here you go. So now I put it this way like that, okay, and let's go and start it right again. Can you see it, how it's been moving on? All right, so I actually done this way because I want to include this particular part of the video, okay. So I want to move that video. For example, I know which part I want to keep in focus. All right, so now when we go back to this frame and we start playing once again, you know, Filmora actually will move that into this place where we mark that here, okay. And that can be done either automatically or you can do it manually. That's not a problem at all. As you can see, the subject stays perfectly centered, okay, the way you like it, okay. And there is no awkward cropping. It looks like it was made specifically for vertical videos, okay. If you are serious about growing your audience, you need to be everywhere, but you don't have to spend times, you know, if you don't have a time to edit different versions of the same video for each platform. With Auto Reframe, you can create one video, let Filmora handle the resizing, and you are ready to share it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Okay, this feature isn't just about saving your time; it's about making sure your content looks its best, no matter where you're posting. So there you have it. Okay, if you're ready, you want to go ahead and you just start posting and just go to edit to timeline, and that will actually go ahead and put all the video, everything what you actually cropped here. There you go, and you can start to add to other bits and pieces the same way like you usually do in Filmora. Okay, but now after the video is already cropped for you and ready for other social platforms. I think it's amazing. Okay. The Auto Reframe tool in wondershare Filmora, I think it's really amazing, and if you haven't tried it yet, you are missing out on one of the easiest ways to make your content platforms ready. Hit the link in the description to check out Filmora and give it Auto Reframe a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other Filmora features you would like me to cover next. See you next time. Thank you for watching.